Hello, this is Reverend Ken Wilcox at St. Augustine, Florida. Today I'm reading from my new book, Rays of Hope. You can order it on Amazon. There'll be a link below of how you can find it. And this is what I wrote. The arms of God, the everlasting arms. When we know we are supported by the power and love of God, we can rest with assurance that all is well in our lives. We have a power flowing through us that will allow us to heal whatever's in our past that needs to be healed, to deal with whatever challenges we will face in our future, and bless what is ever before us to be blessed. We are not weak and wounded. We are powerful beyond our wildest imagination. So let's use these words to empower ourselves through affirmative prayer. I'm going to do this prayer in the first person. You take it in for yourself. If I say something that works for you, well, hold tight to that. If I say something that doesn't work for you, well, just let that part slide by. But just know this truth with me today. There's but one God, one mind, and one power. That power's perfect love is divine intelligence. That power is flowing through me, with me, and for me, ushering me into a better day for myself, a greater knowing for myself, empowered life. So here today, I let go of every idea of less than, woundedness, and lack. Those are small ideas, and I've played with them long enough. Here today, I stand in the glory of God, knowing that I am here to experience every goodness God had in mind when it prayed me into existence. I move out into my life bold with compassion, dynamically loving. I have a power that is with me, lighting a path before me, leading me on. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my dear friends, let me leave you with one final thought. Your life is not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. This is Reverend Ken. Until we see each other again, many blessings.